magnetic field around a magnetized mass is the displayed result of the universal static grid being backed up or interrupted in its ability to deliver the strong force energy supply to the mass as it normally does, spherically radial along the mass's circumference and length equally around it. The protons of the mass are being delivered their strong force energy in an aligned direction, south to north flow through the mass, and the universal static grid is not needed, or it is backed up around the mass because the protons of the mass are already receiving their strong force energy supply, or electron functions, in a south to north flow. The universal static grid is somewhat backed up or interrupted between the north and south poles, and this interruption is the magnetic field. When a magnet is in the gravitational field of a larger mass, the magnet creates this interruption, which is the magnetic field, but the flow going into the larger mass of gravity flows around the magnetic field and into the larger mass, and this is why a magnet still adheres to the gravitational effects of a larger mass in its presence. Here are the flux lines of a magnetic field. It shows exactly how the universal static grid is backed up.